Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find your saved payments on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution on now how you can do that to find this list here. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here in this window. It's going to show for you like this, and you just go down here, then you click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on billing here, and it's going to take you here in this window. So just switching to show for you. So hold on a second to open with you this window here. So then you come here to saved payments method here, and here you will find your saved payments method. So I have no saved payment methods here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this window. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I give it. That's all. So just follow this ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.